Assalamu alaikum, guys. What is hope? Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. And if we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. You may not always have a comfortable life, and also you will not always be able to solve all the world's problem at once. But don't ever underestimate the importance you can have, because history has shown us that courage can be contagious and hope can be on a life of its own. Also, faith and hopes are complementary. Faith is grounded in the reality of the past, and hope is looking to the reality of future. So we can most probably say, without faith there is no hope, and without hope there is no true faith. And most importantly, um, your faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the more stronger your faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is, the more you'll be hopeful, the more you will be having a strength in Iman. Assalamu alaikum.